Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a Citibank credit card. So first, what you'll need to do, of course, is go to citylike.com and make sure to log in into your account if you have an account. And of course, if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create an account. As you can see, you can log in using your user ID password. If you don't have an account, click on register and start the registration process of creating your account. Now, how you can apply for for a credit card or get your credit card. So as you can see in here, once you of course have an account, you can go here. So as you can see, you have multiple options. You'll have first of all to choose the one that suits your needs, depending on whatever you want. So they have the Citi Strata Premier Credit Card example. So with all the benefits here, with the annual fees, as you can see, you can apply now by simply click on apply now, and then you will have, of course, if you're already logged in, you will not have to log in into your account. You'll find most of those informations are failed, but if you're not, you'll have to fill up those informations by your own. As you can see, first name is basically your personal information, your address and phone and email, and then your financial information. Then you'll have to read terms and condition, agree to all of this, then click on agree and submit to get your Citibank credit card. This is if you want to get this card specifically. There are other card options like this one example, CC Double Cash card with no annual fees and with other like as example benefits that you can read. There's this one example, CC Diamond Preferred Credit Card, no annual fees and some other benefits. You can pause the video and read the benefits all if you want. This one example, it has $0 intro annual fee, but $99 after the first year, as you can see, with a lot of benefits in here. This is with no annual fees, as you can see, with the benefits. So I'm just going to stop at each one of them. You can pause the video and read all the benefits and see the one that suits your needs. And once you find the one that you like, you can simply click on apply now and fill up your informations. And that's how you can get your Citi bank card or credit card. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.